You might think exhaustion, weaker drive, and restless nights are just part of getting older. But what if they're not? Many men ignore the quiet warning signs their body sends each night, believing it's just age. The truth is, your body may be missing something crucial that affects your energy, hormones, and vitality. Stay until the end, because understanding this one missing element could completely change how you feel every single morning. Gentlemen, let's be honest. If you're waking up tired, lacking energy, or noticing that your body doesn't respond like it used to, that's not just a random sign of aging. It's your body sending a clear message. Something inside your nightly recovery system isn't working as it should. And when that system breaks down, the effects reach far beyond the bedroom. They touch your mood, focus, sleep, and overall sense of confidence. Experts suggest that one of the most overlooked reasons behind this pattern is a deficiency in a vital mineral that plays a key role in how your nervous system relaxes and repairs. When levels are too low, the body struggles to switch off alert mode. You might sleep, but you don't truly rest. Over time, this can leave you foggy, frustrated, and disconnected from your own vitality. Research indicates that this same deficiency can quietly affect circulation, hormone balance, and the ability to stay focused. Many men describe feeling as if their energy is leaking away, little by little, every day, and they can't figure out why. It's possible that this mineral, which supports nerve relaxation and muscle function, could be the missing piece. Experts believe that when the body finally gets enough of this nutrient, something remarkable happens. Deep sleep returns, circulation improves, energy stabilizes, the body begins to restore itself from the inside out, and perhaps most importantly, confidence comes back. Not because of a pill or quick fix, but because the system that drives recovery finally has the tools it needs. There's one more important point: timing. Many people take supplements during the day, expecting energy or alertness, but this specific nutrient works best before bed. It helps calm the body and prepare it for deep rest, signaling to your brain that it's time to repair. When combined with simple nightly habits, dimming the lights, reducing screen time, and adding a few minutes of quiet stretching, the results can be surprisingly powerful. Experts also point out that consistency is everything. This isn't about instant results. It's about gradual, steady improvement. Many men notice within days that they fall asleep faster and wake up more refreshed. Within a week or two, their energy feels more balanced, their mood stabilizes, and they find themselves reconnecting with a part of life they thought was gone. The key is patience. The body needs time to rebuild layer by layer, night after night, and as it does, the changes go deeper than sleep. Better rest supports hormone balance, circulation, and even emotional health. Suddenly, mornings don't feel like a battle. They feel like a beginning. Experts recommend pairing this nighttime recovery habit with a few natural steps: drinking more water, avoiding screens before bed, and adding foods rich in magnesium, zinc, or omega-3s. These nutrients may help support the body's natural energy and restore what stress and time have taken away. And if you're thinking, maybe it's too late for me, remember this: your body is capable of rebuilding at any age. It's not about chasing youth. It's about restoring balance and vitality. The systems that once made you strong, focused, and confident are still there. They just need the right support to function again. So tonight, make one small decision. Give your body what it needs to recover. Protect your rest, support your balance, and let your system do the work it was designed for. Because when you start fixing your nights, your days, and your confidence start to change too. If this video inspired you or helped you understand your body a little better, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Every week, we share practical, science-based health insights to help you feel stronger, sharper, and more alive, no matter your age.